Alright guys, I think there's a police presence out in Thorold. This is a first. The South Thorold. I don't know what is happening here. They were parked up here. I don't know if they're doing some kind of surveillance right now, but we're going to do our own surveillance of the surveillancer. Can't go that way anymore. I'm just going to go down this way. We're up here just after the tracks. It's just really weird. I don't even know what they're doing out here. It's so bizarre. Like nothing out here. Might be trying to get those Railfans off the tracks. I don't know. Rust Railfans. Pretty lame actually if that's what they're doing. Let's see if they're still here. We're up in this area. Looks like they might be gone actually. Maybe they're following me. I don't know. Either way, if we don't see anything going on with this 4003, then we're just we're gonna hike it back to. I was gonna say Guelph, but I mean St. Catharines, not Guelph. We don't live there anymore. We're not gonna waste any more time. We spent a lot of time. Spent a lot of time here after 9:30. Doesn't seem there's ever anything going on. There's a truck out here though. And they're closing the gates, so that's a terrible sign. I think they just waved at me. They know. They know I was looking for the train. Alright. Looks like we're done here. Pretty lame. Another disappointing day.